Once upon a time, in a serene village nestled amidst rolling hills and lush forests, there dwelled a revered Zen master, known far and wide for his wisdom and insight. Travelers from distant lands would make pilgrimages to seek his guidance, hoping to unlock the secrets of life's enigmatic journey. On one tranquil afternoon, a curious and earnest young disciple approached the master with a question that had weighed heavily on his heart for some time. With a bow of respect, he asked, "Master, what are the things in life that we should never sacrifice for anyone? Please share your wisdom with me." The Zen master, his eyes radiant with the depth of ancient knowledge, offered a warm smile and nodded in acknowledgement of the disciple's earnestness. He began to speak, and as his words flowed, they wove a tapestry of profound wisdom that would forever alter the disciple's perception of life's priorities. "1," the master began, "is authenticity. Always be true to yourself, my dear disciple. Do not pretend to be someone you're not, nor suppress your unique identity to please others. Your authenticity is a precious gem that should never be sacrificed." The disciple nodded thoughtfully, understanding the importance of staying true to oneself, even in a world that often encourages conformity. 2, continued the master, is self-care. Prioritize routines that nurture your physical and mental well-being. Never sacrifice your own health and happiness for the demands of others. Remember, a healthy vessel carries a vibrant spirit. The disciple considered the wisdom in these words, realizing that he had often neglected his own well-being while tending to the wishes and expectations of those around him. 3, the master went on, is time with loved ones. Cherish the moments you spend with family and close friends. Do not sacrifice these valuable connections for less important commitments. Love and companionship are the treasures of life. The disciple's heart swelled with a mixture of gratitude and regret, as he recalled moments when he had forsaken gatherings with his loved ones in favor of work or other obligations. He vowed to prioritize his relationships moving forward. 4, the master continued, is personal growth. Continuously invest in your own development. Do not sacrifice opportunities for learning and self-improvement for the sake of convenience. Growth leads to wisdom. The disciple reflected on the times he had procrastinated or chosen comfort over the pursuit of knowledge and personal growth. He recognized that true fulfillment came from embracing new experiences and challenges. 5, the master said, is financial security. Maintain a healthy financial foundation. Do not sacrifice your financial well-being for impulsive spending or to support someone else's irresponsible habits. Security grants peace of mind. The disciple thought back to moments when he had frivolously spent his hard-earned money, neglecting the importance of saving and planning for his future. He understood that financial stability was a cornerstone of a worry-free existence. 6, the master continued, is independence. Preserve your independence and the ability to make your own choices. Do not become overly reliant on others for your decisions or happiness. Autonomy is a gift. The disciple contemplated the times when he had allowed others to dictate his actions and decisions, leading to a sense of powerlessness. He realized that embracing his independence would empower him to chart his own course in life. 7, the master concluded, is inner peace. Guard your inner peace and mental serenity fiercely. Do not let negative influences or toxic relationships disrupt your sense of calm and well-being. Peace is the foundation of a meaningful life. The disciple sat in profound silence, absorbing the master's teachings. These 7 principles resonated deeply within him, forming a roadmap for living a life of purpose and fulfillment. He understood that these were the 7 things he should never sacrifice for anyone. Days turned into weeks, and the young disciple embarked on a transformative journey. He embraced authenticity, shedding the masks he had worn to conform to others' expectations. He prioritized self-care, nurturing his body and mind with love and diligence. He treasured his time with loved ones, creating lasting memories and deepening his bonds. Personal growth became his guiding star, and he eagerly sought knowledge and self-improvement. Financial security, once an afterthought, now became a cornerstone of his life. He managed his finances with wisdom and prudence, securing his future. Independence was his birthright, and he reclaimed his autonomy, making choices that resonated with his heart. Above all, he safeguarded his inner peace, distancing himself from negative influences and toxic relationships. Serenity flowed through his veins, bringing clarity and purpose to his every step. As time passed, the young disciple's life transformed, radiating the wisdom he had acquired. People from near and far began to seek his guidance, drawn to the aura of tranquility and fulfillment that surrounded him. One day he found himself at the very same place where he had once asked the Zen master for guidance. A group of eager disciples gathered around him, their eyes filled with curiosity and respect. With a serene smile, he began to share the 7 things one should never sacrifice for anyone. His words flowed like a gentle stream, carrying the essence of his journey and the profound teachings of his revered master. And so, the wisdom of the Zen master lived on, passed down through generations, touching the hearts and souls of those who sought the path to a life of authenticity, self-care, love, growth, security, independence, and inner peace. As the disciples' voice echoed through the village, the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden glow on the tranquil landscape. It was a reminder that the lessons of life, like the sun's eternal journey, continue to shine brightly for those who seek the path of enlightenment. In the end, the disciple realized that life was a delicate balance, and these 7 principles served as the guiding stars to navigate the journey with grace and wisdom. He understood that while challenges and temptations would always be present, the path to a fulfilling life lay in upholding these sacred principles and never sacrificing them for anyone or anything.